Hi, my name is Susan Wheeler, and I'm going to be going over what verbal behavior and verbal operants are. Verbal behavior occurs through reinforcement provided by the speaker to the listener. B.F. Skinner believed that we should try to refer to verbal behavior as behavior over language so you can identify that the listener and the speaker make up the verbal behavior, not just one or the other. The function of verbal behavior refers to the environment and historical contingencies that spark reaction out of the listener and the speaker. The speaker can say something where the explicit definition of the word would not make sense in the phrase. However, if you base the word or phrase on the context and the previous experience with the audience, it would make sense. There are 5 verbal operants. The 5 verbal operants are the basic components of Skinner's taxonomy. I'm going to be focusing on the verbal operant tact. Tact refers to someone stating physical items that are in the environment around them. When a person tacts, they will verbally and explicitly state the items that are around them. For example, if someone goes outside and is in the rain, and then they state rain, they are tacting. The study I chose to focus on was the analysis of the acquisition of verbal operants in a child from 17 months to 2 years of age. In this study, there was 15-minute sessions conducted once a week for 7 months. The sessions were recorded in a natural setting with the adults to gain a true insight onto the child's use of verbal operants. The study concluded that the most often utilized verbal operant by a child was the tact verbal operant. This is something that I found interesting. I would have thought that the most verbal operant that a child would use was the mand operant. However, that was the most utilized by adults. In the first figure, you can see that tacts were most observed whenever the child was just naming objects and aspects that were in the environment around them. And in the second figure, you can see that as the child gets older, the cumulative responses that were tacts increase drastically each month.